Welcome to our channel. Top 10 Best Commercial Dehumidifier with Pump and Drain in 2020. Top 1. COLZER 212 Pints Crawlspace Commercial Dehumidifier with Pump and Drain Hose 120 pints day, AHAM, humidity control for up to 8,000 square feet basements, water damage storage. Designed for crawl space, with a horizontal design and measuring at only 25.5 times 21 times 19.8 inch, LWH. This compact dehumidifier is perfect to fit in between floor joists, low-clearance crawl spaces and tight basement areas. Commercial-grade dehumidify. This COLZER dehumidifier CD120P with 353 CFM airflow rate removes up to 212 pints of moisture from the air per day in saturated conditions and 120 pints per day in AHAM. Powerful enough to cover large spaces up to 8,000 square feet. Dehumidifier with pump for easy drainage. This commercial dehumidifier with an internal pump will automatically drain the condensate out for low-hassle operation. Plus, the 16-foot-long drain hose and 16-foot drain vertical height maximize the flexibility of installation. Top 2. hOmeLabs Commercial Grade 140 Pint Dehumidifier, built-in pump, includes drain hose and washable filter, ideal for large basements, industrial or commercial spaces and job sites. Dehumidifier for commercial spaces, with its 140 ppd within 265 CFM dehumidifying capacity, it can cover large areas such as basements, industrial warehouses, gym, garage, laundry rooms, workshop, library, construction sites and any other commercial space that needs humidity control for its equipment to function well and store its products to maintain good quality. Water damage restoration. This commercial dehumidifier easily reduces humidity in the air and prevents moisture-related issues in your spaces. It helps out in drying leaks and floods efficiently, resulting in preventing growth of harmful molds and mildews. It can also accelerate the drying process after painting or even plastering your walls. Features 24 hours dehumidifying function. Don't fret at setting timers and going back and forth. This dehumidifier can work up to 24 hours. With a defrost feature, water pump and 5M drain hose, it will instantly drain all the moisture absorbed from your spaces. No need to worry about buying another filter. This commercial dehumidifier comes with a reusable mesh filter that can be washed and is easy to clean. Top 3. ALORAIR LGR Industrial Commercial Dehumidifier Auto Shutoff with Pump, 5 years warranty, compact, APP control, CETL listed, up to 180 ppd, saturation, for garages, and flood restoration, blue. App control and dry anywhere. Monitor the restoration process on the go. Our free ALORAIR Dry Easy mobile app is included with the unit upon purchase. Commercial dehumidifier, moisture removal capacity 180 ppd at saturation condition and 85 pint at AHAM only with 5.62A, super efficient system, fits into small spaces, secure, compact stacking, transport multiple units on a hand truck. 5 years warranty? Rugged polyethylene housing resists dents and scratches. We believe in quality and after-sales service. It is sure to last long and still keep its shape look. Commercial, industrial, and personal USE? Ideal for carpet cleaning, basement cellars, laundries, deflooding, offices, laboratories, tradesmen, garages. Design with humanized Onboard storage for 19.6 feet power cord and 19.6 feet condensate hose. Convenient storage for the power cord and drain hose. MERV 8. APP control, automatic digital humidistat control, memory starting, timer, automatic digital humidistat control. Industrial dehumidifier with condensate pump. Top 4. BlueDri BD76 commercial dehumidifier for home, basements, garages, and job sites. Industrial water damage equipment, pack of 1, blue. 150 pint dehumidifier, ideal for water damage restoration projects. Its high-efficiency rotary compressor ensures the maximum moisture extraction of up to 150 pints per day, 90 F 90% RH, /76 ppd at AHAM, 80 F 60% RH, removing up to double the water per day than normal 70 pints capacity home dehumidifiers. Convenient. This dehumidifier is packed with an automatic water pump, digital panel, compact electrical control with auto restart, hour counter, RH and temperature sensors, so you can get any job site done with just a few buttons. Commercial and industrial use, designed to withstand the rigors of the toughest spaces, the BD76 can go into construction zones and buildings damaged by flooding and other water accidents and work hard overnight or continuous for days at a time without you worrying about it. Water damage restoration, from your basement to your attic or your bathroom to outside in your garage, our dehumidifier will help you restore your whole house. Top 5. ALORAIR Sentinel HDI 100 commercial dehumidifier with pump, 220 pints whole homes dehumidifier for crawl spaces, basements, up to 2,900 square feet, 5 years warranty, CETL, optional remote monitoring. 220 ppd dehumidifier, with a large water removal capacity of up to 220 pints, 34.6 gallons, per day at saturation, 100 ppd, 15.7 gallons, per day at AHAM, in a space as large as 2,900 square feet. This heavy-duty dehumidifier can fit virtually every crawl space and basement need. Compact and lightweight, also equipped with quality carrier handles. Fit for crawl spaces, basements, warehouses, offices, factories, shops, apartments, storage areas, restaurants, bars, and museums. Automatic defrost? A quick and efficient defrosting process truly makes the dehumidifier able to work at a low temperature, 36 degrees Fahrenheit. If frost is detected on the coils, an automatic defrost cycle runs to avoid frost buildup and issues associated with that buildup. Makes the unit work continuously and efficiently without periodic stopping during the defrosting process, not only saving the energy but also making the unit last longer. Top 6. ALORAIR LGR dehumidifier with built-in pump, for water damage restoration, 5 years warranty, CETL listed, up to 180 ppd, saturation, 85 ppd at AHAM, flood repair. Super features. This commercial dehumidifier remove 180 ppd at saturation condition, digital humidistat control, timer, with condensate pump, fits into small spaces, multiple units can be moved on a standard hand truck. Highly efficient, this water damage restoration dehumidifier get operating temperature range of 33.8 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, draws 5.62 EPS on a 115V power supply for energy efficiency, huge capacity 85 ppd, 13.4 gallons, at AHAM, while the current draw is 5.62 amps, rated power 640W. Waterproof design, You can sink the unit in the water as the rubber strip makes the circuit board sealed. Top 7. Aprilaire 1820 Pro Dehumidifier, 70-pint commercial dehumidifier for crawl spaces, basements, whole homes up to 2,800 square feet. Built to last with corrosion-resistant aluminum coils, Aprilaire dehumidifiers are designed and manufactured in the USA by Aprilaire, the leader in indoor air quality solutions. Minimize airborne virus survival rates by keeping relative humidity below 60% with a dehumidifier, helps prevent mold, termites, structural wood rot, and odors in a sealed crawl space, and damp carpeting and furnishing, mold, mildew, and odors in basements and whole homes. Compact size, 12.5 x 12.5 inches x 25 inches, fits through most crawl space doors, and between joists and tight spaces, removes up to 9 gallons. 70 pints of water per day, no messy water tray to empty and simple to set up, just place the hose, included, or place dehumidifier over a drain, level it, plug it in, set the target humidity, and you're done. Top 8. ALORAIR Basement Crawlspace Dehumidifiers 198 ppd, saturation, 90 pints, AHAM, 5 years warranty, condensate pump, auto defrosting, rare earth alloy tube evaporator, remote control, optional. Energy Star certified dehumidifier quickly and effectively removes moisture with less energy than conventional dehumidifiers without racking up your energy bill, saving you money. This will be the best crawl space basement dehumidifier you will ever use. Remove 90 pints per day at AHAM condition, 198 pint as saturation, up to 2,600 square feet, fit for any basement, crawl space, storage areas, garage, any large room, or commercial use. Heavy-duty condensate pump. When removing large amounts of moisture, the condensate pump keeps the dehumidifier running smoothly and efficiently by pushing collected water out of the area continuously. Optional remote control. This professional dehumidifier is designed with a remote monitoring function, which makes this unit an ideal choice for places where remote sensing and controlling is required. It is also a good choice for sound insulation and saving space usage. Top 9. ALORAIR 150 pint portable commercial industrial grade desiccant dehumidifier for basement, whole house, crawl space, garage, covers up to 2000 SQFT yellow black EPD 150. No more. Dehumidifier with pump, drain hose, compressors, water leaks and/or water containers. Mount it anywhere, from walls to ceilings. Designed to work freestanding, on its side or upside down, and can work in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Frequently used, for industrial and home areas without access to heat, vacation rentals, storage facilities, water damage restoration, flood drying, cold basements, crawl space, mold remediation, garage and repair shops. Quiet compact dehumidifier, at 56 decibels and can remove up to 150 pints of moisture for rooms up to 2,000 square feet. Top 10. ALORAIR Storm LGR Extreme Commercial Water Damage Restoration Industrial LGR Dehumidifier for Flood Repair, Built-in Pump, CETL, 85 pints, 13.4 gallons a day. Blue, 4. Super features. This commercial dehumidifier remove 180 ppd at saturation condition, digital humidistat control, timer, with condensate pump, fits into small spaces, multiple units can be moved on a standard hand truck. Highly efficient, This water damage restoration dehumidifier get operating temperature range of 33.8 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, draws 5.62 amps on a 115V power supply for energy efficiency, huge capacity 85 ppd, 13.4 gallons, at AHAM while the current draw is 5.62 amps, rated power 640W. Waterproof design, you can sink the unit in the water as the rubber strip makes the circuit board sealed. Thanks for watching, please like and share and subscribe our channel.